Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is all about Leonardo AI versus Openart AI, which is better for image generation. So if you're trying to find the best AI image generator, you have probably come across two popular tools, Leonardo AI and Openart AI. Both are powerful platforms that let you create amazing images using text prompts, but which one is better and more importantly, which one is right for you? In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Leonardo AI, then we will go over OpenArt AI and finally compare the two at the end. So let's start with Leonardo AI. If you want to access this platform, you just have to simply search for leonardo.ai. You will get onto its website. Then you just have to simply create your account onto it and you will get to this interface. This is the home section where you can find out different stuff. First, if we talk about its interface, so Leonardo has one of the cleanest and easiest interface out there. Whether you're a beginner or an artist, its design is simple and fast. You can choose from pre-trained models or custom ones, enter your prompt and get beautiful results with seconds. It also has this prompt magic where you can just simply create prompt with the help of AI. It comes with pre-built models like Leonardo Creative's 3D animation style, Dream Shaper, and others, so you can switch between styles and within a click. Other than that, it has advanced tools like you can see, and if you have created images, you can do in painting, out painting, image upscaling, and background remover. Other than that, if you would like to get a custom model, then you can also do it. It has a huge feature. You can train your own model using your own images and create art in your unique style. Great for artists, game developers, or product mockups. And it also offers the personal gallery and history, so you can view all of your previous generated work. You can save them, download them. So you can see it has a wide variety of models available that you can customize as per your preferences. So if we talk about the Open AI, so it is another powerful platform for generating AI images, but there's a bit more open-ended and flexible than Leonardo. Think of it as a playground for prompt power users and developers. Unlike Leonardo, OpenArt gives you access to a huge variety of models, including Stable Diffusion XL, LoRa models, and community trained models as well. Also, the prompt game here is very much great. So OpenArt gives you more freedom to experiment with negative prompts. It also gives you that guidance scales, number of steps, seed value, and more, and you can find all these options up there. And once you have created images, you can do the in painting, you can do the variations and remix. You can also do the face fix and upscalers, and you can also train your own models with image that you provide to it. Other than these sections, it also has the community feed where everybody can post and you can get inspiration from there as well. So for that you have to go to the open art and there you can go to this explore section, or you can just simply stay there and you can find all these ones. And OpenArt has a public feed where users share their prompts, outputs, and settings, so it's a great place to get inspiration or learn prompt techniques. However, compared to Leonardo, OpenArt interface is less beginner friendly. It looks a bit more technical and requires some knowledge of how AI image generation works. So use OpenArt AI if you want full control over prompts and model settings. You want access to open source and community models. You're okay with a more technical detailed interface. You want to train and fine tune models for your own projects. And use Leonardo AI if you want fast, beautiful, stylized art. You prefer a clean, simple UI. You're into fantasy, anime, gaming, or creative concept art. You want prompt, boosting, and preset models with little efforts. In short, Leonardo is polished, beginner friendly, and art focused, while OpenArt is powerful, customizable, developer style flexibility. So I have compared both of these platforms. Now it's up to you based on your preferences and your work need. You can use any platform for image generation. So that was all about the comparison between the OpenArt AI and the Leonardo AI. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video.